We're here today to touch on the necessary installation techniques when using the StoneClip set clip range and show its versatility while working with a thin veneer stone cladding. Today we have a piece of split face granite with dimensions of 600 by 300 with the face stretching from 30mm in the bed out to 55 and have an approximate weight of around 20 kilograms. This style of panel is becoming extremely popular today, and a large amount of stone companies like Gosford Quarries, Eco Outdoor, Limestone Australia and Artisan Stone are now producing a range of products that fall into this category. The main features of these stones is a sawn back and completely dimensional cut, and they'll come with a work face and the ability to be incorporated into patterns like a true ashlar or a French style. Stones like this with a sawn back are considered easy and quick to install, and that is the reason why we're doing this tutorial today. The StoneClip set clip range will allow the installation team to quickly get the stones on the wall. The main reason for this is that you won't have to wait for your adhesives to go off, and you can simply install stone on top of stone. The first real installation technique we need to discuss is the measurement will be made from the rear face of the stone. This is the common point, and you'll be aiming to work between a 5 and 10mm cavity from the substrate. We're using the StoneClip battery operated wet cutter. This installation tool has an adjustable jig set up that will allow the installer to accurately cut into the bed of the stone at precisely the right point. This particular stone, the exfoliated granite we have here, is extremely hard. The wet cutter has two main advantages. There's no dust and an easier cutting process into the stone, which benefits not only the machine but also the primary product itself. The benefit of the set clip system and this style of stone is that the nature of the stone itself will mean that the installation will not have to be plumbed to the touch. The clips, which can be set and installed anywhere over the wall and in the stone, will allow the true face and textured nature of the stone to come through. The set clips will allow for a 5mm joint, which can be either left open, grouted, pointed or corked. Or if the installer wishes to create a true dry stack look, a small amount can be recessed out of the back of the stone going towards the substrate to create this look. You can see that a datum line here has been drawn, and the clips for the first stone are being secured onto the wall to accept the first stone clip. The clips have been installed at 300mm centres, and a 6.5mm pilot hole is being drilled through one of the 4 anchor points in the 20mm set clip base plate. The base plate has been secured to the wall using the StoneClip 6.5mm stainless steel screw bolt, and this has been installed using a 10mm socket on a standard impact driver. The first stone is now being positioned onto the secured set clips and being anchored back with, again, the StoneClip stainless steel screw bolts as before. This process is now repeated, and you can see that in 15 minutes we've erected 4 vertical panels. When using a StoneClip set clip in a full mechanical system like we have done here, the max panel weight can be 50 kilograms. Each clip is engineered to tolerate a maximum weight of 25 kilograms while only using 1 anchor point.